सौरभा माँ बोलो थी। हाँ डिक्शन में वर्ड सर अजून आढावा असं
Good morning. Are you all ready?
Yes.
Speaker then.
Yes, ma'am.
Speaker.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Swati ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the first word? Ma'am, what is the first word? Ma'am, what is the first word?
Are you ready with the notebook and the pen? Vihan Patel.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is
Vihan
it?
Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with the notebook and the pen? Written down today's date and day.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, can we write with colorful pens? Ma'am, what we have to write? I came late. I don't know. Ma'am, what we have to do? Ma'am, can we write with colorful pens?
Why Vihan is busy with some other work? Nishika, Lamha. Ready with the notebook? Written down today's date and day.
Yes, ma'am.
Written down today's date and day.
Ayush, wait, bacha, ma'am is giving you the instruction. You just, Swati ma'am, you reply in the chat box to Ayush.
See, I'm sharing something with you. Please see to it. Can you see?
No, ma'am. Swati ma'am, no.
No, ma'am.
Just write down today's date and day and write down CET nouns. CET nouns. From nahi Riddhi Goyal, with colorful pens. Not from colorful pens. It is with colorful pens. सर्व का प्रेजेंटेशन दिसत नाहीये. Can you see the presentation?
Ma'am, no.
Ma'am.
Swati ma'am,
Just
no.
show me thumbs up or yes or no. No?
No.
Perfect. प्रेझेंटेशन दिसत नाहीये.
माझा क्लास करू की हिचा?
हे बघ ना, दिसत नाहीये.
काफी शिकून घ्या सगळं. फक्त बोलत राहतं तिथे राहते.
कॅमेरा बंद.
Children, it is okay. Whatever ma'am will tell you, you will write. I think in the CET, if you write only the answers, then also it is okay. Okay, maybe some technical issue ma'am is facing. Till that, you just write down the date and everything and revise on the topic. Nobody will switch. Yes.
Ma'am, it's not necessary that we have to only write answers. We can write questions either, right?
Yes, yes. If you think you can write fast, you can write. Yes. Ekansh, we need to wait, bacha, for the presentation. We know that ma'am is trying to present it. Wait for 2 minutes, bacha. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Something went wrong?
Ma'am, Swati ma'am was trying to present the screen, but she was not able to, and she's trying it again, ma'am.
But
So-
I can't see her even in the class.
Yes, ma'am. She just now left, ma'am. Otherwise, she was there.
Okay,
Yes.
she's here. She's here right now.
Okay.
Sharing paper.
There is some problem in connecting the presentation, so I shall print it in the chat. I shall type it in the chat and then you can copy.
Ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
we have to write directly answers or question also.
If you find answers only, you write answers, and if you are quite good with your writing, you can write the questions as well. Ma'am must have given you the instructions, na?
Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Okay.
Now please start writing. Arav, start writing what I have sent on the chat, and now you stop sending anything on the chat, please. Huh? Nobody will send anything on the chat, otherwise it will be disturbing.
Ma'am, we have to
Stop
write the question. And where is cute one? Question 1. Ma'am, I can see your presentation.
Swati ma'am, can you please show them question number 1?
Okay, if you can see the presentation. Okay, then you please start doing that presentation. This was question 2. Just leave it. We shall start with the question 1.
Swati ma'am.
Question.
Yes. Can
Swati ma'am, Jyoti ma'am wants to talk to you. Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Ma'am, I think she is not hearing us.
Yes. Okay, I wanted to say this only, so it's okay.
you will have to draw the circles. Huh? You will have to draw the circles. Do not use sketch pen. Otherwise, whichever color you want, you can use. Whether it is pencil color, crayon, whichever color you may.
Swati ma'am.
For coloring, I will give you time. For coloring, I will give you time. But before that, you just circle the things and write the word given. Circle and write in between the word given. That circle.
Yes, Lamha, maybe Swati ma'am is not hearing us. Swati ma'am, can you hear us? Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Yes, Lamha, tell bacha.
Ma'am, first ma'am done the presentation down, so ma'am,
You have written question number 2 first.
ma'am.
Done, Lama?
Yes.
Done.
No, ma'am. Are you able to hear us, Swati ma'am?
First, and you don't have to draw the circles 2 or 3 times.
Swati.
One time when you have drawn the circle, you have written the word. Around the word, you can give the color. You can color the circle around the word. That's also we had done. 3 also.
Yes, ma'am.
Through many
Put it in the
kids, we
chat
have
box, we are able to hear.
practice of
I
doing.
think, yes. Ma'am, I have sent the message also and she is not replying that message. Swati ma'am, can you hear us? Lamha, you just start with this question again. Okay, first
Okay, ma'am.
one.
May I got that question and started on another
Yes.
line?
Yes, bacha. Yes. Okay.
After single minute, I will scroll down. Na, beta? I will
Swati ma'am.
scroll it down.
Ma'am, that's not the problem, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have pink color, so can I do with red instead of pink?
Migdad. Yes, Prisha.
Can we just randomly circle it? If we don't color, is it okay?
Okay, bacha. Okay.
I'll just circle it with pink and pink pen. And
It is fine.
Swati
It is fine.
in this question, instead of pink, can I use red because I don't have
Yes.
pink?
Yes, you can use it. I think Swati ma'am is not able to hear you. So I am giving you the answer in place of her. It is okay, beta. You just do it. Yes.
But then, I mean, on the chat, hello, Kanak ma'am.
Correct, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is Samriddhi's mother here.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. मैम एक्चुअली मैंने चैट बॉक्स में मैम को मैसेज कर रही हूँ स्क्रॉल डाउन थोड़ा सा करने के लिए सो दैट वी कैन सी फुल क्वेश्चन बट वन ऑफ द किड आई थिंक व्हाट्स हर हिज नेम मन राजौड़िया is typing her messages continuously without any sense. So please see to it.
Man Rajodia, stop messaging like this. Man Rajodia.
Ma'am, but my network issue is there, so automatic. I was telling to you, so automatic be going like this. That's all.
Okay, this happened just because of mistake, then it is okay. But you should not do like this again, okay? Please be careful next time.
Swati ma'am, can you hear us now?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Swati ma'am, one of the parents
Yes.
told you to scroll it, yes, and if possible to show the screen not fully.
Excuse
It is
me,
just
ma'am.
half.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the first question.
That is only the first question which you can see.
Ma'am, but
Have to circle common noun with pink. With pink color, you have to circle around the word. Around the word, you have to circle. I mean, color.
Swati ma'am, you just scroll down a little because still some of the two circles are missing.
Yes, yes, ma'am. I was waiting for them to copy.
Okay, ma'am. Migdad, please switch off your mic. Migdad,
Ma'am, ma'am, please
Yes.
scroll up. Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, can
I
you
have
scroll
scrolled it
up?
down, beta. I have scrolled it down.
Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am,
Vihan,
scroll up.
scroll up.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
I was waiting for every down.
Lakshay, it is fine, bacha. Whatever you are seeing on the screen, you just write down that only so that you cannot miss out the other one. Wait for others also to come. Vivan Patel, switch off your mic.
पहले तो सारे नाम लिख ले, फिर उसके बाद कलर करना, फिर बाद में भी तो कलर कर सकता है.
Lakshay, switch off your mic. Lakshay,
Ma'am,
switch off your mic.
every circle and underline you can. It's okay.
Anya, fine. Switch off your mic, bacha. Anya, switch off your mic.
Anya Mittal, are you there, Anya?
Ma'am, please scroll it up. Because of network issue, I was not.
Please do not suggest me, beta. I will have to wait for everybody. For me, there is no one single special child, beta. I will wait and then I will scroll. Ridhan Goyal, why your mic is on, beta?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Swati ma'am, please scroll up. Ma'am,
You want to
I
go
am
back?
in my
Rudra
farm.
Master, you go back again.
Ma'am, my connection is not. Ma'am, will you scroll up for a minute?
Okay, my connection is poor.
Ma'am, my connection is poor.
See, this much is okay. Is this all right?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
little bit you scroll more
Ma'am,
up.
a little
Those who have missed question number 1, they can just see it again and tell them to write down fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Or this now you will get only 1.5 minutes, beta. Please do it
Okay, ma'am.
faster. You have to write a word and then draw the circle around it. This circle should not be geometrically very correct, very perfect. We are doing grammar and not geometry. So don't waste time on circling the word. Yes, Ekansh, you may. Rahil Patel, no sending messages of done.
Ma'am, scroll down.
Again?
Now no one will tell ma'am to scroll up or scroll down. Whichever ma'am is presenting the screen, you do it.
Ma'am, scroll down.
Araf Patel,
Are
wait.
you not listening to the teacher?
Araf Patel, you should wait.
Have patience.
Ma'am, if we have done this much part, so we can circle the words that we have written.
Yes, start writing the answers also. We have no time. Start writing the answers as well. Start coloring circles if you have finished doing the question. Those who have done the questions can start coloring the circles. Samriddhi, no sending done.
Arav Patel, sit properly. Arav Patel.
Arav, answers done. Arav Patel, coloring the circle work done. Have you colored the circles? Okay. Check your work properly, Arav. Now do faster, beta. Everybody. Vaidi done? Okay. Do it faster, huh, beta? Yes, Prisha, you can.
Migdad,
It
so
is
many times ma'am told you not to send messages of done. It is okay.
this is question second, and you can. But for here, I want you to write down the word of question as well as the answer. Huh? Now no scrolling up. I will not go back now. After 6 minutes, I will go back. 8 words are given to you. First, you copy that. Leave a place those who have missed the previous one. If you have missed any previous work, just leave the page. Start working with the second question. Do not ask me whether question to be written down. Yes, you will have to write down question as well as the answer. For grammar, we never write down only answer. Remember. So question as well as the answer. No direct answer. Arav Patel, now the second question has been presented. Why still wasting time and yawning? Parents, please don't help. No help from parent. This is CET. This is chapter ending test. Parents are not supposed to write down anything. This is my humble request. Let the child have that practice of writing fast.
Swati ma'am, one of the parent, you just check in the chat box and reply them. Because some network issue is there. So they are
Aryan.
not. Yes, ma'am.
Vaidi, Freya, your camera should be on. This is CET going on. This is test going on. Freya, Vaidi, Vihan, camera should be on.
Ma'am, Vedi, to I can see her.
Vaidi and Vihan I can see, but Freya,
Freya, yes, ma'am, I can see Freya also.
no, Freya has switched off her camera.
No, ma'am, she's visible, ma'am.
Okay, I cannot see on my laptop then.
Okay, yes.
I can see her that cameo picture only.
No, she's writing, ma'am. I can see. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Kanak ma'am. Okay, Vihan, good. बाबा तू ओके
इधर से फोन बोला मम्माच्या कॉल पण मी कट केला माझा
Wow, good guy. नहीं सर 8%
Last 3 minutes are left. Huh? Now last 3 minutes. Then for a single minute, I will scroll up again and I will show you question number 1.
Ma'am, I'm trying to answer the question too.
Yes, Ekan. It's okay if you have done.
Ma'am,
Yes, good. Good if you have done.
ma'am,
Yes.
I cannot see your presenting work.
What you cannot see?
Presenting what you are presenting on screen.
Presentation you cannot see.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
everybody else can see, beta.
Anya Mittal, maybe there is some network issues. Log out and log in again. Yes.
Okay. Ma'am,
Nishika Choksi, there is no question 3 and stop suggesting the teacher.
ma'am,
Yes, Vaidi.
first question is
First question I will show you afterwards. First you finish this second one, okay? Then I will again show you the first question. But before that, you finish this second question. I hope
Swati ma'am, may I drink
has
water?
answered. Yes, Lama.
Yes. She is asking for drinking
Okay,
water.
okay. Migdad Motiwala, I suppose that you are not using your ears today at all. Are they blocked? Vivan
Ekansh Jain. Ekansh Jain is.
Vivan Balchandani. And Ekansh, stop giving them the answer. You have very bad habit of giving the answers to others. In every session, I have to suggest Ekansh, stop giving the answers. It is teacher's duty. Teacher knows I have to give the answer, beta. Yesterday, Ekansh, I had also suggested you to conduct the class. On behalf of me, you can conduct the class then. Then also today, the same thing you are doing.
Ma'am, what Parnika is trying to ask, I cannot understand.
Two Q answers means I did not understand.
Ma'am, you will give us second question's answer also.
Answers, yes. CET answers will be sent to you after 1 o'clock. Before that, I need your pictures. I will give marks on that, and then I will send you the answer sheet of CET. Before 1 o'clock, as soon as you finish this class of English, immediately send me the pics of what you have done in CET.
Excuse
Right
me.
now also, if you have done the CET, this 10 marks CET is all over. 6 marks were for the question 1 and 4 marks for question 2. So total 10 marks are over. If you have done it, you can click the picture immediately and send it to me right now, because I want for 1 o'clock.
Ma'am, there is no question 3.
No.
Ma'am, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
Neem.
me. Ma'am, can I drain my soda because
Nikita Chokshi, our class time is till 9:40. How can you ask me in between for leaving, beta?
Ma'am, you told me you have to send the photos immediately.
Only for that you can. And come back again. Click the picture, send it. For that you don't need to leave the class. You just take your book aside, click it, and come back in front of the camera.
Second and one question.
Now I'm scrolling and showing you the question. First one. Who have missed question 1 can now copy. Only for 1.5 minutes, not more than that. Please take an account. Take a note of it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can off the camera. Ma'am,
Yes.
can I
Yes.
leave?
Can I leave me,
For
ma'am?
1 minute.
Send-
Yes, Sana.
Ma'am, ma'am, can I send the worksheet? Ma'am,
Yes,
can
send
I?
me the worksheet and then for a single
What?
minute you can do that and then come back. Still we have time.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I am asking to off the camera because I am going to take my papa's phone so I can take a picture.
Yes, Vihan.
I am asking to switch off the camera because I am.
Yes, I said yes, beta. For 1 minute you can do that for sending the picture. I understand.
Ma'am, can I send the picture of worksheets?
That you were supposed to send back long back, beta. Now you are asking me for that. You were supposed to send me yesterday. You did not.
Today.
Ma'am, today's test. I am
Yes.
asking.
Yes, then that is not called worksheet. It is called test. Yes, of course now.
Can I send now? Submit.
Yes,
Ma'am, done.
submit it immediately. Arav Patel, have you submitted? Submit your work immediately.
Vaidhi, switch
Submit
off your
it.
mic. Switch off your mic, Vaidhi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Vaidhi, switch off your mic. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a network issue, so if you have received my test,
I will send CET.
CT.
I will send CET on soft copy also, beta. I will send CET as well as the answer sheet of CET. Both the things I will send. Don't worry.
नो मैम एक्चुअली आई जस्ट वांट कि मैंने अभी आपको मेल किया है उसका सो कैन यू चेक इट
Okay.
और रिप्लाई में कि वो आपको मिला है कि नहीं
I shall see. Just a minute.
ओके मैम थैंक यू सो मच
Ma'am, I have also sent it. Ma'am, I also sent
Good, beta. Good if you have sent.
Mila.
In between now, no one will ask Mila. It is fine. Ma'am will check and ma'am will
Yes,
show you
many
the
of you.
answers.
I have got many of yours. Many of yours I have got. Samu Nishika. Yes, I have got it.
Ma'am, you get my work.
Lakshay. Everybody's work I will check.
Ma'am, now individually everyone is trying to ask you that you got it or
Please
not.
don't ask me. Do not ask me on the chat. If you have sent, it is, of course, I'm going to get it. I'm going to receive it. So no asking me individually. Please stop asking me. Vaidi,
Ma'am, ask Vaidi.
Vaidi, what do you want to ask me?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
I have made. Ma'am, I have sent a pic in Gmail to you. Ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it is all right.
Ma'am, please write down answer.
Okay. Now everybody stop because time up. CET time up. Everybody stop doing the work. CET time totally up. Finished it is. Now listen to me. Now listen to me. I want to ask you that do we have English grammar textbook, everyday English grammar and composition? Do we have that?
Yes, ma'am, I have that.
Grammar and composition. Yes, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So from Monday onwards, that is from Tuesday, I should say. From Tuesday, can you see this book? Can you see this book? I'm showing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do we have this book, everybody of us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So from Wednesday, we shall be solving this everyday English grammar. Yes, correct. Yes. So from Wednesday onwards,
Ma'am, on
Monday we don't have English classes, beta.
Ma'am, you got my answers. Have Hindi class. Ma'am, you got mine.
Ekansh, don't send the message. I will check it afterwards. After we finish our class, I will check it. Now please read my chat and just show me your thumbs up whether you have understood it or not. Now with nodding your head, you just answer me that have we before our mini vacation, before in the month of April and May, have we solved any exercises of this English grammar? Vihan Patel, please pay attention. Dhyan Dalal, I want the answer from you. Have we solved any exercises of this everyday English grammar in the month of April?
No,
Not even a single.
yes, ma'am.
Our first is the cross. Have we solved it? Catherine ma'am was there. With her, have we solved this?
Yes, ma'am, we have solved many. And we have done that in notebook, not in the textbook. Yes,
Not in the textbook. Okay. Yes, because we never had this with us. So now from Wednesday onwards, from Wednesday, yes, we shall be solving from page number 1. We shall be solving from page number 1 from Wednesday onwards. Lakshay, is it clear? Are you clapping?
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Arna, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Aryaman.
Ma'am, Aryaman, हाँ, yes, ma'am. Aryaman.
Okay, Aryaman. So, Dhyan, Prisha, Arna, everybody understood that from Wednesday onwards, we will be having our English grammar and composition workbook with us and a pencil, not a pen. In the workbook, we always write the answers with pencil. Okay. So now, everybody click me a picture, send me immediately before 1 o'clock and after, or after 1 o'clock, I'll be sending you CET as well as answer paper.
I send you the picture. Excuse me, ma'am, did you got my picture? So I know.
Yes, I have got everybody. I will reply. When I will read it, I will reply. Is that clear? But when I will send you the answer sheet, you will have to cross-check your answers on your own. Okay? So bye everybody and have a nice day. Only the reading. We will stay back.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
No
ma'am.
sending messages of bye. No sending messages of bye. Yeah? Yes, bye. Do not shout. Do not shout.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Yes, no bye, no bye. It is fine. No need to say screaming like this. No messages, bacha. No messages required.
Ma'am. Bye, Swati, ma'am.
Aryaman.
Bye, Swati,
Bye.
ma'am. मैम
Yes.
मैम मेरा रीडिंग में नाम नहीं है.
I shall see, beta.
ओके.
And why
Okay,
are you
Swati ma'am,
speaking
I am
Hindi?
giving.
Why are you speaking in Hindi?
मैम. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, who are in reading class, please send in one time in chat box because I can't see it.
Yes, dear. I'm sending.
Swati
Here are the
ma'am,
names.
now I will leave, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, dear. You can please take the names of reading session. I do not want any textbook or any book in your hand. I will be giving you the presentation and then you will start reading. So see, Jishna, Kahan, Karnav, Khevna, both Khush, Lakshay, Lamha, Man and Meet. Trisha, your name is not there, beta. You please leave.
Ma'am, I am there. Lamha Shah.
Yes, yes, I know, beta. I can see you very well. You are looking very beautiful. But only and only Lamha is there. What to do now? See, only Lamha is there. Let us wait for a single minute for others to join. Okay? Till there, I'm trying to send you a presentation. We have to read that paragraph today. Okay? No textbook reading.
मीटिंग तो
ठीक है.
Ma'am, there is no name of Dhyan Shelia.
Yeah, yes. I also wanted to say the same thing. But Lama, can you see any presentation? Okay, I'm trying. It will take time, Lama. Dhyan beta, your name is not there today for reading. Dhyan Shelia, I request you to leave the class instead of doing this. Dhyan Shelia. My God. Dhyan Shelia, the class is all over. You can please leave the meeting. Man Rajodia. Man Rajodia, will you please switch on your mic? Man, I wanted to ask you about your mother. Is she all right now? Hmm.
Ma'am.
Vaidhi, you are not there for reading, beta. Vaidhi, leave the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. So, Lamha, you are the only one today for reading. I don't know what happened with others. They are coming and going, and those whose names are not there, they were there. We had to ask them to go. So, what to do? Shall we start reading? Okay. So, switch on your mic.
Dhyan Chelia again joined.
Yes, but I told him to go. See his mother not listening.
Yes, ma'am. May I start?
Lama, just wait. I shall ask Dhyan to leave. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Lama.
Named.
Yes. You may start, Lama.
The kingdom of Vijaygarh had a wise and king. Has a wide and kind king. People were happy, but the king himself was sad and worried. A devilish snake had entered his son's body. Neither medicine nor magic worked to cure his son. When
Very
the
good,
prince
Lama. Very
grew
good.
up, he thought it is because of me that my father is
Lama, stop.
worried.
Lama, it is because of me that my father is worried. It is
It is because of
of
me
me
that
that
my
my
father
father
is
is
worried.
worried.
And one day he left the palace,
Yes.
wandering. He came to another.
Lama, it's not wandering, it's wandering. Wander is different than wonder. Wander
Wandering.
is to move around. Okay?
Okay,
Here,
ma'am.
here and there. That is wandering.
Okay.
Start from when the
Wandering.
prince.
When the prince grew up, he thought it is because of me that my father is worried. And one day he left the palace. Wandering, he came to another kingdom. He found a
Good.
desolate temple and started living there. He begged for food. The king of that kingdom was cruel, but he had a kind and beautiful daughter. The king was unhappy with his daughter. That girl was always ridiculing her father's hard work. The king thought, she is always talking to me low of my hard work. I must marry her to a beggar. Then she will know what hard work is.
Good. So now, Lama, we shall stop here. Okay.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
nobody else is there. Okay. So see you on Wednesday.
Bye,
Fine.
ma'am.
Tuesday there will be dictation.
Okay.
Bye, dear.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hello. Next, let's do that. Hello,